What is up, YouTube? What is up, crew? Jack crew, whatever.
Oh my god, bro.
Today we're gonna be turning some curtains into pants. It's part 2. Last time they came out pretty well. The curtains came out pretty well, baggy pants came out well. We're gonna do that again with this. We're gonna use these curtains and we're gonna try to use this for the belt loop, so it's gonna come out really cool. This will be officially the 4th pants adding to my collection, and thinking of starting a website up soon. So if you guys think that's a good idea, drop a like, comment, subscribe, everything. You know, we're already using our pattern that we made in the previous video because it's a very good pattern. I don't think I'm gonna change it. I think I'm gonna make different sizes after this one, so we're gonna experiment. So yeah, I can make these burgundy pants out of curtains and make TikToks out of it. And this isn't going to be much of a tutorial, more so like, oh, look at what I can do, look at how I made these curtain pants, some commentary, blah blah blah. And yeah, that's the desk, these are the curtains, and it's gonna be fun, educational, entertaining, value. So what I have to do actually is I have to cut 2 inches off the bottom, or 3 inches, because it's a little too long with the hem. So I gotta make it a little shorter so it fits me a bit better. The waist is good though, just the length is a little too long. So we're gonna fix that on the pattern itself instead of doing it after, because it's a lot of hemming to do. Might as well just use the hem that's on the curtain right there, then actually hem it itself. It saves a lot of time actually, and it takes a lot of headache. So I'd rather take the 3 inches before cutting it than doing it after and having to hem the 3 inches up. So we're going to be starting with the pockets first, like last time too. I pinned the pockets, I pinned it down. I was going to sew that real quick. And we're going to come back, do both sides, and then finish the pocket hole completely. Just finished the one pocket right now. I'm going to show y'all how it looks like. Here we go. The first leg panel. This will be the right leg because the pocket is here. And you're gonna put your hand in like that, and the pocket pouch, boom, perfect. Part number 1, gonna do it again, and then gonna sew the crotches together right here. Gonna sew those together. I'll come back when I have to sew these two to each other. I got the sides all pinned down, the 2 panels together, so we're gonna sew that real quick. That's the 2 sides done. So now we're going to just finish the rest basically. And I don't think I'm going to show much of that because it's just doing the same process for the back side, and then just like pinning it all the way in here, flipping it inside out, sewing all the 3 sides, and then finishing it up basically. And then I got to do the waistband for last. So that's the plan. So we got the waistband sewed in. Well, not sewed in, just clipped in. This is the outside, so obviously you gotta flip it inside out. These rings are gonna be used as like a weight to pull the waistband, so hopefully that comes out cool. So just gonna sew it real quick. And by the time I'm done sewing, should be finished result. All I have left is just to put the waistband in, and then we're good. Alrighty, so here we go with the finished product. I love the bagginess look of it. The only thing that's not super perfect is the rings don't like line up perfectly, but it still does. Other than that though, I don't really have any complaints. The texture is really nice, especially because it's kind of a rough curtain, but it's really nice. It's not even that uncomfortable. I really like how the waistband came out though, even though it's not the most perfect. And the bagginess, me taking 3 inches off, I didn't actually expect it to perfectly sew like that, but it actually came out really clean. Like, it was actually way easier than I thought it would be. But yeah, make sure you guys follow the Instagram. I'm trying to get 1,000 followers on Instagram. Till I see you guys next time. Probably gonna do a website video, so stay tuned to that.